How to get Peacock on Samsung television. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on a Samsung smart television. First, make sure your Samsung TV is connected to the Wi-Fi and is from 2017 or later. Older models don't support the Peacock app directly, but newer ones running Tizen OS do. Start from the home screen and press the home or smart hub button. Navigate to apps, then use the search icon in the top right corner. Type in Peacock. When the Peacock app shows up, select it and press install. Once it's done installing, click open. Now sign in with your Peacock account. If you don't have one, you can create it at peacocktv.com using your phone or computer. Peacock has a free trial, plus paid options, Premium and Premium Plus, if you want more content and fewer ads. If you don't see the Peacock app, make sure your TV software is up to date by going to Settings, Support, Software Update, and then try updating now. Still no luck? Use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast to get around the limitations.